Hi students, hope you all fine. So today I'm going to discuss one more topic, that is nothing but principle of least squares. Okay, principle of least squares is also called as method of least squares. We can also call as method of least squares. So this is related to semester 3 statistics students, KU, Kakatiya University, OU and SU. Okay, so definitely it will come for short answers. It is very important question. Okay, now let us discuss. The principle of least square is a method used in statistical analysis to determine the best fitting line or curve through a set of observed data points by minimizing the sum of the squared differences between the observed values and the values predicted by the model. So that means what here? Here we are going to find out the best fit line. So which point is the best in the given points? Okay, and also we are going to use the what we say, use some principle, that is nothing but the sum of the squared differences in the sense what, minus, okay, between the observed values means what we give in the question, and the values predicted in the sense what, expected, that means future values by the model. Okay na? So nothing but if you want to say in simple word, so principle of least square method is used to find out the unknown variables, unknown constants. Okay, so this principle is widely used in regression analysis. Okay, we use in regression analysis, which is a statistical process for estimating the relationship among variables. Okay, how it is used in regression analysis, in the sense, in order to identify the relationship between two variables. Okay, between the variables. Okay, so why this principle of least square method is used? In order to find out the unknown constants. Okay, so what is this principle? In the sense, here we have written clearly, the summing and squaring between observed values and expected value should be minimum. So that means what, it will minimize the uh, points, okay na, in order to give the best fit line or curve. So according to this mathematical notation is written S, in the sense what, this summing and square S, okay na, principle of least squares S equals to summation, summing and squaring, see here, summing squaring between the values, observed values and expected values. Okay na, E means what here? Why we have written E in the sense, why? Because principle of least square is also called as error sum of squares. So that's why here this one we have written. In place of this, nothing but we have written the formula, that is nothing but, here we have discussed the difference between the observed values. So difference in the sense what, minus. Okay na, so observed values and expected values. See, it is also called as error sum of square, ESS. Error sum of squares are, in the sense we have to write the same, or residual sum of squares. Residual sum of squares, in the sense we have to write the same. In short form, it is called as RSS, or sum of squares residuals. SSR is also refers to principle of least squares. Okay, so where we use this principle of least square, in the sense that comes under applications in the sense what, where we apply. So it is used in economics, finance, engineering, natural science, medical or medicine, social sciences, environment science, business and marketing, machine learning and data science. Okay, so this principle of least square is used, the concept principle of least square is used in these applications. Okay, yeah, and the next is examples. We'll see what are the examples, why it is used, we'll see the examples. Okay, so examples of real life applications where we apply real. Okay, predicting house prices. For example, we can able to predict the house prices. Okay, so how we can predict the house prices in the sense, if the house is depends on the what length of the house, the price will increase, isn't it? And also the location of the house, the price will increases. So like that they will predict the house price. Stock market analysis, so they can able to estimate the stock market analysis also. Okay, quality control in manufacturing, so while manufacturing the goods they will maintain the quality control. So how to maintain what quality we have to give for the customers in order to buy our product, like that they will analysis. Weather forecasting, so weather forecasting, this is daily, we can daily it is used, this application. Why? Because daily we need the weather report, no? Yeah, that means nothing but principle of least square. How the principle of least square is used in weather report, in the sense, for example, today it is rainy, so tomorrow also we can expect what, there may be rain. So that means what, present situations is used to estimate the future. Okay, yeah, that is called as observed and expected. Traffic flow analysis, traffic flow analysis also they will estimate. Why? Because see, uh, at 8 to 9 most of the vehicles will come. Why? Because so many persons will go for office, to schools, to markets, to shops, like that. So at that time the traffic will be more crowded, isn't it? Yeah, so like that they will analysis. Next, health risk predictions. Health risk predictions in the sense, depending on the person, we can able to estimate in future what the risk he will face. So like that we can estimate. No, so these are the applications used. These are the applications where we use principle of least square. Okay, so principle of least square is nothing but it is the difference between observed and expected. Okay, so it is nothing but depending on the present situation we can able to identify the future situations. So that is about principle of least square. Okay, so hope you all understand. See, if you want any topic to explain, me to explain, you please comment in the comment section, so that I will try to make mostly. So please share with your friends, and don't forget to like, share. So this is very important for short. So you you please refer once again. If you don't understand, pause the video and try to understand the concept. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.